I can't open it. You got this, Jack?
Wait, don't you mean June?
Jack's our lockpick.
Whoa, looks like a little healthy competition.
Come on, this isn't fair. I've been picking locks since before she was born. Let me find the keyhole.
Maybe the other side.
You're not inspiring confidence right now, Jack.
He's got it. He's got it.
Feeling rusty?
Don't rush me.
When does he start the lock picking?
Hey, Jack, I don't think this is a lock you pick. I think it's a lock you solve. So.
Show him how it's done.
Whoa.
You mind if I just figure this out really quickly?
Huh.
Okay. If you've ever done an escape room, you'd know there are all kinds of different puzzles. It's not just about locks and keys.
Whoa.
Huh.
You might want to update your game, Jack.
Whoa.
But by all means, lead the way.
I think he loosened it for her, ultimately.